What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the marketing series that we're doing on Mondays. As promised, this is going to be out of Seth Godin's book, Permission Marketing. So this one, it is taken from chapter 2, and I think this is something that it's 3 simple lessons here that will allow you to do some self-reflecting. And depending on what your answer is, will give you your insight on what you need to do next. Okay? So this is from page 43 of this book by Seth Godin. So he says permission marketing is anticipated, personal, and relevant. It's anticipated in the sense that people look forward to hearing from you. It's personal in the sense that the messages are directly related to the individual. It's relevant. The marketing is all about something the prospect is interested in. So, with that being said, here are the 3 questions that I ask myself with any of my marketing, with any of my videos that I'm doing. Is it anticipated? Are people looking forward to hearing from me? Or do they get frustrated when they see me? And, something that he goes into more detail in this book, which I'll probably go into it, is the spamming versus being a friend. So with your friend, if your friend invites you to something, you're a lot more likely to go out and do it. But let's say it's those people who are handing out random things in a plaza or whatever else, you tend to want to avoid them just because you're like, I don't know who you are, and you're giving me something that I didn't ask to be given. So with this, that first question, is your marketing anticipated? Is when your prospects hear from you, even if they don't know you, that first video that they see, does it leave them wanting you like them to know more about you or what you have to offer? Next, personal. The messages are directly related to the individual. So this is something too, and you hear this a lot in the marketing world, but coming up with your client avatar, your ideal client, etc. This is when you make a list of not only the demographics of the client that you want, but also the psychographics, like understanding their mindset, understanding who they are, what they want to be, and all that stuff. So is your marketing personal, or are you doing such a broad message that you are marketing really to no one? So again, let's recap this real quick. Is your marketing anticipated? Do people want to hear from you? Next, is it personal? So again, let's take this with our friends. If our friends know when we send out a mass kind of text message that's going to everyone versus when they're like, hey, Paul, you want to go do this? And I know it's personal, right? We know the difference between that personal message and that mass message. So lastly, the third one, relevant. The marketing is about something the prospect is interested in. So, where I see this one too is not all of our friends are interested in the same things, right? So, if I ask, it's fine to ask, let's say I have a buddy who's really, really just introvert, only likes to read, doesn't really like to go out, versus I have another friend who's party animal guy, all that stuff, but never really spends time by himself. Although I could ask the introvert if he wants to go out, have fun, have a good time, whatever. And although I could ask the party animal if he wants to, go through a book with me in a month or something like that, although that it's possible, it's not really personal. Sometimes we can go on and challenge our friends to do those things, but with this, in the context of marketing, making it relevant to the people you're marketing to, it may be a very, very good thing. Like the book that I'm wanting to read with my very fun extroverted friend, it may be a great book, but it is not for him necessarily. Or at least at this point right now. Maybe it is for him, but maybe it's just not right now. So in the same manner with the people who you're marketing to, you want it to be relevant to where they're at and what they want to do, where they want to go. Okay? So I felt like these were very, very simple principles and very, very simple things to ask myself. Is my marketing anticipated? Is it personal? And is it relevant? So ask yourself those questions as well. Go through that. Kind of process it like I did in this video, asking just the kind of different angles. And again, I hope my references to my friends or my theoretical friends that I came up with this in this video helped clarify even further. Okay? If you have not seen any of the previous 3 episodes that I've done on the marketing series, Go back and watch those. That is on Seth Godin's other book called This Is Marketing. And I picked out 3 principles from that book as well that could help you in your marketing. Okay, so if you are interested in this marketing series, stay tuned every single Monday. That's when I will be releasing these. And if you want to just watch more videos, I'm releasing them every single day. So stay tuned for that. All right, I'll see you on the next one.